Hey guys, welcome back to Amateur Cooking with Jess. Today I will be sharing with you another Agua Fresca recipe, and this one is cucumber, lime, and mint. It's so refreshing, and as you all know, cucumber is very high in fiber and they're very good for you, and also they provide a good source of potassium. So for these hot summer days, another perfect recipe to cool down. So if you want to learn how I make my cucumber, lime, and mint recipe, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. For today's recipe, we'll be using 2 large cucumbers, a handful of mint, half a cup of lime juice, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a pitcher, a strainer, and a 1/4 cup of water. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to coarsely chop our cucumbers and add them in. And this was again 2 large cucumbers. Okay, we're going to add our handful of mint leaves. We're going to add the half cup of lime juice, and it's 1 1/4 cup of water. So here's 1 cup of water and a 1/4. Lastly, we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. Again, you can add less or more depending on how sweet you like it. Now that everything has blended, we're going to pour it in through a strainer into a bowl to get rid of the cucumber peel. Now that I've finished straining my water, I'm going to go ahead and pour me a cup. And I'm going to top it with a little mint sprig for decoration. It is perfect for the summer heat. It's so healthy. It's just an amazing drink, and it's a great way to cool down. And there you have it, cucumber, lime, and mint agua fresca. It's delicious and refreshing. Perfect for this summer heat. You're welcome to use other types of sweeteners such as agave or coconut sugar or monk sugar, anything you prefer. It's going to be delicious either way. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and I hope you give it a try. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.